Good morning, Philippines. Hello, world. I beg your pardon. I don't know the ID of this fern. You see, it has grown. The age of this maybe is 3 years. 3 years when it was just like 1 foot. Now it is a meter in diameter. So time to repot. Okay, so this one is being planted in this one. So I have to remove this away. The good thing with ferns is that you can make them hang plants, but today I'm going to plant it here because I'm planning this to be the mother plant. It's now starting to have spores soon, so I will have this repot. Wait, how is this? It's a 13-inch pot. 12. So it would benefit from this cocoa chunk. I think charcoal slows down the decomposition of organic matter, slows down a bit. Okay. And then I will put this one. I don't know the ID, but maybe I can Google it soon. For now, I'll just have to repot this. Charcoal. Maybe a bit of potting mix. And center it in a pot. Then the charcoal topping. Okay, this gorgeous plant. Beautiful fern. I think I'm done. I'll just have to climb the chair and turn the camera off. So guys, thank you for watching.